Hello everybody, my name is Hamed Gholamrezai from Guri Architecture Academy. We want to talk about layout in Sketchup. Layout software actually. To draw different shapes such as regular polygons, the number of faces can be determined with the help of different commands. The next topic is scrapbooks, which are very useful for our sheeting. It has signs and symptoms that can be used in different parts. For example, arrows can be used in any part and they can be edited. We can even edit the default scrapbooks, or we can make our own scrapbook. All scrapbooks are made with layout tools. We can also create and save and use in any project.